Here are my top 12 Italian cafe phrases that you really need to know before you go to Italy. First up, we have vorrei. Vorrei means I would like. It's a really, really useful word to know. Vorrei un cappuccino. I would like a cappuccino. Next, prendo. Prendo means I'll have or I'll take. And you might say, prendo una brioche con marmellata or con crema. Con or senza, with, without. You could ask for un caffè con latte or un caffè senza zucchero. Another really useful phrase is posso avere, can I have? Posso avere un altro cucchiaino? Can I have another teaspoon? If you're at an Italian cafe and you're really, really struggling to decide what to have, you can always ask cosa mi consiglia? Cosa mi consiglia? What do you recommend? So once you've decided what you're going to have, you can then say posso avere una fetta di torta? If you really enjoyed your coffee, you could always compliment somebody and say il caffè è molto buono qui. A very useful question after drinking all the coffee and eating all the cake. Dov'è il bagno? Where is the toilet or the bathroom? And now we have to pay for the bill. So our key question is, quanto costa? How much is it? You might prefer to pay by card. In that case, you can ask, posso pagare con la carta? Can I pay by card? And just in case it goes all pear-shaped and you don't understand what's being said, you can simply say, non capisco, non capisco. And the most important word of all, grazie. Grazie. Thank you.